Hello everyone, my name is Atish Gurung and this is my guessing game DApp running on my local blockchain with MetaMask and Granite. So let's start the demo of my application. So first I need to connect to a wallet. If I click connect wallet and approve in will pop up from MetaMask. Alright, so I need to enter my account password. So now it shows like we have been connected to Granite via MetaMask. So behind the scene, like my page uses window.ethereum, which requests the account, and MetaMask returns my account, and I created after that I create an Ether provider and signature tied to this network. From this point, like any button I click will send sign transaction from my account to the local chain. So let's start playing the game as we are connected to the wallet. So let's enter to build, and if I choose higher and click play one Ethereum, my page will call the win or lose function. So I click play one Ethereum, and the MetaMask will pop up because it's alright as it needs my signature and will spend my gas. So if I click confirm, behind the scenes, MetaMask builds the transaction and sends JSON RPC request to Granite at the port 7545, and Granite reminds a block immediately and returns a receipt. And my page works with a wait function, and then reads the latest stats. And here we can see it's printed the mine is blocked, my lose increased by one, but I have already played the game many times, so it didn't so any losses. So let's try again. Let's try with 45 and again play. Alright, so if we confirm, we can see the stats that we have lost the game again. So this proves that the contract ran and the state changed. So the next is, so this is basically all about my DApp application. And so now how did I like set up the MetaMask? So for the MetaMask, mm, I can install the MetaMask extension. As you can see on the top right corner, there is MetaMask logo. Let's extend it. Okay, let's expand the view. So after installing the MetaMask and creating a wallet, then I imported one of the Granate's account, which is really important. So importing one of the Granate's account is important because it is how like Granates communicates with MetaMask account. So to configure like Granates to communicate with MetaMask, I need to create a workspace in Granates, which I have already created and named SIT728. And here we have the most important is the RPC server, and it provides us with like 10 accounts. So let's copy one of the account, and if we copy one of the account in the MetaMask, we need to enter the private key and import the account. This one we have already used. Let's go with another one. Let's go with this one. So this is how we import the Granas accounts of MetaMask to communicate between them. So okay, we need to see like if they communicated well and we have successfully ran the transaction. We can even see in the account which I used it from the grenades. We have the activity that it deducted like around some amount of Ethereum, which proves that the app is successfully running. So that's all for my the application. So thank you.